Today I'm in Lewiston. I'm checking out the Frontier House. It is finally open. It is back from the dead. And no, it's not McDonald's in there anymore, as you can see in this entranceway. We have a bunch of different artwork on the walls, and I don't know who this guy is, but he's in a bunch of the paintings. I thought that was kind of funny. But now inside the Frontier House, we have Fairbanks Restaurant. It's a really cool restaurant, and it's got an open kitchen concept where you could see in the kitchen. This is me drinking a Utica Club lager, and it was really, really good. Very refreshing. My wife and I started off with some house rolls with their green butter, and my wife also got some of the crudette, which I forgot to record myself trying. But here's the rolls as my wife is ripping one open, and you can see this green butter, which was really, really good. And I'm putting the green butter on the roll right now. And here I am trying it, and to my surprise with the green butter, it was really, really good. I definitely liked it a lot. I'm not sure what goes in that green butter. It is an Iberico pork collar with a pepper relish and greens and beans. My wife got linguine, and as you can see, it's green because it had like a pistachio sauce. And here I am trying the Iberico pork, and it's my first time ever having Iberico pork, and it was delicious. I really liked it. This is me just thinking about, ooh, what am I tasting here? I'm tasting heaven. That's what I'm tasting. And these are the greens and the beans, and those were all good as well. The greens definitely had a soul food vibe going for them, and I liked them a lot. This is my wife's linguine, and holy cow, that sauce that they use blew me away. It's a pistachio mint sauce with smoked butter, and it was excellent. And here I go, trying some more of those greens. Oh, so good. So good. And now one more bite of the pork for you guys. And wait, nope, just kidding. Here's some more greens. Oh, this was an excellent dish. I definitely recommend you try this. Now on to dessert. Yes, I got dessert, and that is a basil custard with marmalade and a strawberry tart. And you think basil custard, that's kind of weird, right? It works. Holy cow, does it work. And I was blown away by it. I have never experienced anything like this before. I didn't know basil could be a dessert, but it works. Now, before there was a McDonald's, there was another restaurant at this location, and they found the menu for it. And on the menu, there was this trifle that the pastry chef recreated, and it was really good. It had rhubarb. It had like this sponge cake in it. It was excellent. I definitely liked it a lot. I don't normally get dessert on this channel. I'm not a dessert guy, but I had to try some here, and it was good. Okay, I'm outside. Overall, everything was really good. The pork, beautiful, beautifully cooked. That dessert I had, basil custard? Basil as a dessert? Who knew? Who knew? Oh man, yeah, you guys gotta come check out Frontier House, Fairbanks Restaurant inside the Frontier House. I can't believe this used to be a McDonald's, and it has been vacant for 20 years. Like when I was a young man, I used to come here for McDonald's, and then like 2003, I think it closed, and nothing happened in this building until now. It's a shame, but I'm glad that it's finally brought back to life. Guys, the Frontier House is so historic, and in the 1800s, it had so many visitors. People came from all over the place. Presidents, Mark Twain, Charles Dickens, and President McKinley even stopped by the Frontier House before he made his way over to the Pan American Waltz and got shot. And I left that on a downer. But anyways, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.